so today is July 17, 2024, and we got some selling finally after many sessions of not getting much. We got one day that we sold. So we were trying to make new highs. We were making new highs every day by a little bit, and then momentum was stalling. So now we're waking up. Inventory is 99% short, and we're trading just right at the low volume area, which if this doesn't hold, we're gonna go to the 20-day point of control, which I've been talking about it for a while. I've been saying that we have two very prominent point of controls, and this one has been accepting, and now it's looking like we want to test this 56.44. So watch this area. If this the overnight low doesn't hold, we can short and to 56.44 and look for a move to the other side of value, which is at 56.32, where we should see some buyers here. But if this doesn't hold either, look for an opportunity to look for a bounce here at 56.16. So the way that you would want to look for a bounce, that I would want to look for a bounce, is initially you can look for a quick bounce, but don't expect that bounce to be like a V shape right away. It could be, but only if it happens at certain hours of the day. Like if it happens at 10 a.m. or if it happens at 1:30 or 2 p.m., then that's where I would look for a quick bounce. If not, I would look for some slowly, like shorts trying, and then eventually we start getting higher highs and higher lows, and then we can look for a reversal. But it has to happen at certain times of the day. You can't just look for a buy just because it's a buy zone, right? So yeah, initially you get a quick jump, but don't expect a move back to the point of control initially. So basically, if we hold this, we're gonna go back to 56.85, and because this is gonna be an attempt to look for to break these lows, then we would look for a move to the higher end of the range at 57.04, right? But again, the things to look for is initially I want to see a bounce because we're inventory short, correct some of the inventory, probably back into the point of control from the overnight session, and then maybe look for more sellers to attempt to break these lows. And the only reason why I'm saying that is because NQ is so weak that if they keep selling NQ, I don't think that ES is going to move much higher. And look at where NQ is. So NQ had this range with the 625 point of control, and it's already breaking this area, and it looks like it wants to go into this previous range, which if the sellers are successful, this is the magnet 20,000, right? So but we still need to break this 2160. So if we get below 2160, hold below 2160, I'll look for 20,000, and we have some support here. So if this is a little bit of a magnet initially too, so 2200 would be the first area for looking for a bounce, and then if we get above 2400, then I would look for a little bit of a squeeze into the 600s. Oops. Okay. Crude oil rolled over. I'm still on that long trade from yesterday. This is the new contract, but on the Q contract, we are almost at my target. I'm 30 cents away from my target, which is 81.90. I held it overnight. And I'm waiting for that. But right now, in the new contract, I'm gonna look at new levels for the new contract. So we have a double distribution and we're trading above, and it's very similar because it's the 80 area that if we trade below 80, I would look for 78.90, and as long as we stay above 80, I'm looking for a move back here into the 82 area. That's where the 20-day point of control is. Sorry. So you can see this clearly, this low volume node right here. So holding above it targets the 82 area. So I'm staying long on my trade. Hopefully I can get out of it soon. And then gold is still making new highs, so as long as there's really no references here, it almost tested the 2500 level. And like I said yesterday, below this little low volume area, then we'll go back to 2440. But so far it's one time framing up. Don't try to short it unless you don't see sellers stepping in. And also today we have, we just had some news, but at 9:15 we have industrial production, that's in 5 minutes. Then we have some more Fed speaking at 9:35 and crude oil inventories at 10:30. And then the 20-year bond auction at 1 p.m. and the Fed's beige book at 2 p.m. That's about it. So let's take it one step at a time. Look for those levels that are important, those areas that are important. And today there's going to be plenty of opportunity for intraday trading because we have big ranges. So don't chase and don't feel like you're missing out. There's going to be opportunities. So just wait for clear opportunities. For example, if you think that if you want to short, let's say ES, right? So you look for these low volume areas. Wait until price gets here because you have a good risk reward trade, right? Like, you can short around this area, the 56.67, let's say, and put your stop right here or above this high volume node for a move back down through this little range, right? And so don't short here, right? And be patient because when we have big ranges, we're gonna get moves. We're gonna get plenty of opportunity. So just wait and you'll have an opportunity to make some nice trades today. That's my opinion. All right, good luck and I'll be around. Oh, can I show the big picture for crude? Yes, didn't I? Oh, sorry, hold on, hold on, give me 1 second. I didn't, this thing sometimes doesn't work when I switch contracts, so give me 1 second. I thought I was showing it when I was talking about it. Okay, here you go. So I was showing that there's a low volume node here. Between 80 and 80.20, and holding above this is gonna target this 82 area, right? Below that, then we'll probably move into the 78, 80. That's what I was showing before that you couldn't see. Yeah, I know, I was sorry. All right, good luck everybody, and we'll be around.